Trigonometry, we can do two examples. Here's example 1 and this is example 2. So example 1, so if you call this point here P and this is Q, so we have to find the length of PQ. Now we can call this length A, then opposite to this length, the angle here going to be called A, capital A. Then how big this angle is, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. So there are 360 degrees in a circle. Then one cycle has 12 hours. So if you divide 360 by 12, so you get 30 degrees. So each hour representing 30 degrees. So 5 of them. So 30 times 5 is 150 degrees. So this angle here is 150 degrees. Now we know the angle, two sides, and the angle between them, so we can use the cosine rule. So cosine rule to find length A is A squared. We call this length to be B, so it's equal to B squared, plus this length we call C, C squared minus 2 BC cosine of angle A. Then we substitute the numbers, 4.5 squared, 6.2 squared, minus 2 times 4.5 times 6.2 times cosine of 150 degrees. So then we just go to the calculator. So we type 4.5, square it, plus 6.2, square it, minus 2 times 4.5 times 6.2 times cosine 150, close bracket, equal sign. So you get 107.01422. 01422. Then to find A, we take the square root. Because this number is on the calculator as a last calculation, so we can type answer on the calculator. Square root, answer key, close bracket, equal. So we get the answer 10.3. So therefore distance equal to 10.3 centimeters. Example 2. In order to find the perimeter of this shape, we need to find the length DC. Before we find DC, because we know these two sides and angle between them, so we can find AC by using a cosine rule. So this is angle B, so this side side B. So this is angle A, so this is opposite to A, so that's side A, and this is side C. So to find B, cosine rule, B squared equal to A squared plus C squared minus 2AC, then times cosine of angle B. So B squared 9 squared plus 7 squared minus 2 times 9 times 7 times cosine 75. Then we use the calculator. 9 square it, add 7 square it, minus 2 times 9 times 7 times cosine 75 degrees, close bracket, equal sign. We get 97.3888. Then we find b, take the square root, answer key on the calculator, square root, answer key, close bracket, equal. So we get 9.9 for one decimal place. Now this b is 9 point, because we're going to further calculations, so at this stage we use some more decimals. So we just call it like this as 9.86858. Now we have to find DC, because now we can use the Pythagoras. So DC squared going to be AC squared minus DA squared. So DC, just take the square root, AC squared minus DA squared so we use the calculator for it. Now square root AC is basically the last calculation on the calculator, or it's the same as b squared, so we can write this number here, same thing. For timing, we just write here answer, then we square it, add 6, it's not add, sorry, subtract, start again, square root, answer, subtract 6 squared, close bracket. Now that has not worked properly, so we try again. Square root, so we just type 97, because that's what AC squared, 3888 minus 6 squared, close bracket. Now press equal sign. 7.8 is correct. So here minus 6 squared, so the answer is 7.8. So now we can find the perimeter of this shape, 6, 7, 9 and this. $29.8.